Okay, in this video I'm going to be installing two hard drives and a Dell XPS 435 MT based computer, or Dell 435 MT computer. So the first thing you have to do is you just have to open up the case, and there's two screws that are holding the case in place. So you just take it out. It's on the right side. If you're facing the back of it, it's on the right side. So I took the screws out. Then you just slide out the panel just like that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this upside down like so. Sorry about the lighting, it's not very bright in this room. So this is a very old computer, so I'm going to turn it into a server by installing a distro of Linux on it, basically. So the way you put the hard drives in is like this way. So underneath, I don't know if you can see that or not, just slide it in there like that, just like so. Slide in the next hard drive just like that as well, right next to it. There's two mounting slots for it. And let me get some screws. Okay, good. Got some screws. Just put it diagonally. You just align it with the hole. Gonna put the first screw in there. You could put 4 screws, or you could just put 2 screws. I just put it diagonally, and you could just put 2 screws for one drive. Whoops. I get that out like so. And just put that screw in, just align it with the hole and screw it in. First drive is in, this drive is in. Gonna put the next screw in. Okay, that's in, and the next one is also going to be diagonally. You don't have to over tighten it, just make sure it's on there just pretty firmly. It doesn't have to be on there very tight, because you don't want to mung up the screws. Okay, that's good enough. So the next thing you have to do is you need to put in the power, the SATA data cable, and it just goes in just one way. So just like that, you see that? Okay, that's one cable, and you have to connect the SATA power cables to this one. That also goes in just one way. So it's upside down, so it's inverted basically. The next data cable SATA data cables here. Same way, it's inverted as well. Next, power cable. SATA power cable. Just like that. Upside down again. Okay, that's in there pretty good, I think. Check this out to see if it's in. Okay, that's in there pretty good. Both of them, everything's in there. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna close the case. Close the side panel. Just like that. Just slide it in. And after that, you just put the screws back in. And that's how you mount hard drives in there. You could only mount 2 hard drives in this case. That's the maximum limit because of the way that they arrange the hard drives. But in a regular ATX or micro ATX case, you could mount you could mount 4 3.5-inch hard drives, sometimes 5. But for Dells, it's just the way that they designed this. That's why I can't put that many hard drives. So that's it. That's all you have to do to put in the hard drives. Okay, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.